Hello everyone, good morning. We're starting off this weekend vlog with a gluten-free bagel sandwich from a place in my neighborhood. God bless. I'm actually gonna add some avocado, I think I'm gonna try. Actually, it's so full, I might just add sriracha and have it as is, but yum. Also got a nice coffee, gonna add my own oat milk and have a wonderful breakfast on the Saturday morning. Happy weekend. Honestly, name a better Saturday morning than having your coffee, a bagel, and a new Brooke Mitchell vlog. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. Like I said, I'm still sipping on my coffee. I'm getting ready right now. It's 11:15 and I'm gonna leave here probably around noon, so we are chilling. I am going with my friend Elizabeth, who's visiting New York. I'm going to the Frick Collection with her, which is a museum. It's this beautiful building on the Upper East Side and I've never been, and I'm excited about it. And because it's on the Upper East Side, we'll probably head over to Central Park after. It's kind of supposed to rain, but it's a little bit like unsure at the moment how much that'll happen. It might be a little drizzly, it might not, so we're gonna play it by ear and yeah, just explore. I haven't been to a museum in ages, definitely pre-COVID. I hadn't really explored much of the museums in New York, even living here before COVID hit, now that I think about it. But it's definitely something I want to start doing more, and there's so many cool things to see. I'm not sure what their protocols are, if they're like limiting entry or anything for COVID at this time, but we got tickets online already, so hopefully we don't have to wait or anything. But that's at 1 p.m. so it's probably gonna take me 45 minutes to get there. I don't have plans later today or tonight, and I think I am in need of a night in. Watch me say this, like stitch this with me tonight, like out late again. I was out pretty late last night and I just feel like my body needs rest. Tomorrow I'm actually going to my friend's place in Queens early because we're going on a beach trip, which will be really fun. We're driving out to a beach on Long Island. I don't remember what it's called at this time, but I will, I'm sure, show you later on in the vlog, so stay tuned. But that's tomorrow, and it's kind of like on the early side that I have to leave, so I want to try and get sleep tonight. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear because of this kind of weird weather, but I think it's warm outside, like 80s, so we'll see. Oh my god, you guys, I completely forgot to say this. I posted a video. Okay, I started my TikTok months ago at this point, like probably in March, and I was mostly posting like some clips with cool music of like, I don't know, pretty videos from the past, New York content, like nothing crazy, and I wasn't super consistent with it. But, and then I kind of stopped posting them for a couple months, and none of them really like took off or got that many views. I got like a couple thousand per TikTok. None of them were like going out to new people, essentially. When I was recording the podcast with Sierra right before, I posted this video that I took at the Westlight. If you saw my last vlog, we went to the Westlight. It's a rooftop in Williamsburg right at sunset, and it was gorgeous, like unbelievable. You saw the vlog probably. And so I took a video just on my phone and I posted that on my story. And then I was like, you know what? This video is so cool. Like I might as well share it to TikTok just for the hell of it. Like it was a last minute thought, whatever. After we finished recording the podcast, I checked and it had like 3,000 views already. And I was like, wow, that's like as many as my videos would get in a week. Since yesterday at 3 p.m., it started blowing up. And then last night it got, okay, this is like not even that big of a deal. Like it's semi-viral, not really. I'm just excited because this is the first one of mine to do this. It got like 80,000 views last night when I went to bed, and then I woke up and it had 177,000 views. It's this one in the middle here, oh, this reflection. And you guys, since then, since I got up to 177,000, now it's at 250,000 views a couple hours later. So she's still going. I'm so proud. I'm like, yes, you go girl, run with it. I'm excited about it. It makes me like actually want to post TikToks and stuff. I don't know that it's copyrighted.
You need to listen to this. Baby, you got me. It ain't nowhere that I'll be. Done with your arms around me. Back and forth, you rock me.
The reflection was probably bad, but you can go follow me on TikTok at Kristee Better. Just a side note that I was pretty hyped about it. I know that 250,000 is like not even that much for a TikTok, but it is for me. I'm gonna finish getting ready now and talk to you later. Okay, I still have this freaking ottoman in the middle of my room blocking the mirror, but this is my outfit. It's like a slit midi dress kind of like longer than a, well, I don't know. It's like kind of long, kind of not. From Misguided, it's like off the shoulder, has this little pattern, long sleeve. Of course, Air Force Ones, because we're gonna be walking and I want to be comfy. And I thought it kind of like made it a little more casual. Running out the door to go to the Upper East Side. It might rain, which is odd because it's like hot outside. I mean, I guess that happens sometimes. Summer rains, you can never predict them. It says 80% chance starting at 1 p.m. So I feel like I should have an umbrella just in case because I don't have any sort of rain protection or a hairstyle that is rain safe. So I'm gonna throw all of this in my tote bag to the frick. Just finished at the frick. This is the downstairs cafe because this is the only thing we can film anything of. The Frick collection. Except this is the Madison, not the real Frick collection. R.I.P.
The collection in a different building.
Oh, it's the same collection, different venue. Okay, yeah. They moved it to this, apparently the actual Frick building, which is a couple blocks. I'm not sure which way. Madison? Oh, probably that way. It's closed, so we're at Madison, but it was glorious nonetheless, and now we're going to get coffee. I love that they have a little cart too.
Yeah. What if I want to sweeten my coffee like a weak bitch? Will they have options for that, or?
Ralph, do you have sugar or no? I feel like they would. We came to Ralph Lauren's coffee place, enjoy a cup of Ralph's coffee, and we snagged a seat outside, and it's raining, so good timing on our part. Really quality stuff. But very cute Upper East Side spot. Unfortunately the inside was like closed, so we couldn't really venture in, but we got coffee nonetheless, and now we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do in the situation because that's not ideal, but so far it's only a light sprinkle and no one around us has acknowledged it, so we're just gonna ignore it. We're here at the Roosevelt Tram, folks. We're doing the damn thing, the damn tram. We're going to the island. We are ready. Oh my god, we're watching it. Oh no, they just opened the doors. I thought we were gonna watch it go out. This is a very chaotic place. The bridge over there, yeah, seriously, the buses. We're like Upper East Side. On, oh yeah, all the people are just leaving. Yeah, I wonder how long they stay. If you had to drive any public transit, what would it be? Boat, train, pilot? That's not public transit, but.
Not a boat because I do get seasick.
Oh.
But like if you were doing like a big ferry, they don't really like rock.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably handle it, but
I think a tram would be super fun.
Tram, maybe an airplane. Does that count? That's like
Yeah. Ooh,
like
here we
being a
go. Welcome to Roosevelt Island. Population, us now. We just got off the tram. What was your thoughts on the tram experience? That was super fun, right?
It was very fun, and it literally, if you have a Metro Pass, it's like
it's just one swipe. Yeah, $2.75, like you're going on the subway, and it was a much better view than the subway, frankly. So very cool if you have nothing to do. And you're around 60th Street. And it didn't take that long. No, it was super quick. Both ways, but like, yeah, and now we're just walking to the one subway stop on Roosevelt Island and taking the F. Roosevelt Island. We'll have to come back and actually experience it one day. Okay, you guys, I'm home now. I'm watching Younger. I'm just relaxing and staying in this Saturday. And I feel very good about it because I'm so tired and I'm gonna get to bed early for once. I got a package from Supergoop, which I'm so hyped about. I ordered from them honestly weeks ago. They were doing a sale and it was advertised on TikTok. This is the second thing I bought from a TikTok ad, so yikes. I definitely love the glow screen sample that I had, the small version I guess, and I wanted to get the full size, so I figured this was a good opportunity. I don't remember how much off it. I think it was like 20% off, but I got the full size glow screen, SPF 40. And I also got a spray sunscreen, which is a small version, so this will be easy to like take with me places. It's the Play SPF 50 antioxidant body mist with vitamin C. So very hyped about this. This is perfect because I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so this will be great for that. I'm glad they finally arrived, and I'm gonna bring them with me tomorrow and use them all summer long. That was so chaotic, you guys. I'm so tired. I'm so excited to sleep. I think I'm honestly gonna like finish this episode and then read the rest of the evening and do a face mask and just sleep early. Okay, yes, glow screen, amazing. Yay! That's pretty much it for this day of the vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's beach day. It's a little before 8 a.m. I need to leave at 8:45 to go meet my friend at her place in Queens. And then we're driving out to Long Island, which will be so fun. It's actually cloudy here, but hopefully it's sunny there. I'm gonna put on my sunscreen, my swimsuit, and a little cover-up set. And then we're gonna head out. I'm excited to get out of the city, actually. It'll be nice. It's been a while. I'm wearing the Airy cross front bottoms, and I mix and matched with this White Fox top. And I'm about to put on sunscreen before I put on clothes. So Banana Boat 50 Plus. I have my Supergroup one, but I figured I might as well use this one while I'm home because it's so big and I'm not gonna bring it, and then I could save some of the Supergroup and bring that with me when I go places. And then we'll do a glow screen on my face. Sun protection is necessary. And now for my face, the glow screen, of course. Generously apply this guy, especially hitting the high points. Not that I need to give a tutorial on applying sunscreen. Someone should honestly give me one. I don't really think I'm gonna wear much makeup, but I might do some waterproof mascara and just maybe a little powder to even out my skin. Other than that, I want to be able to reapply onto my face and not have a bunch of makeup in the way. Plus, glow screen has like a little bit of a tint to it, so it gives you something on your skin, but very minimal. I'm going to have a gluten-free bagel to have something in my stomach and then pack up my bag. This is the set I'm wearing, by the way. It's like this. It's like this ivory color. I keep thinking there's pockets, but there's not. I just tucked in the top a little bit, but kind of see-through. This tank top and short set from H&M. Okay, I'm bringing a book, sunscreen, towel, lip balm, water bottle, wallet, etc. in here. My H&M set is on. I'm wearing Adidas slides and sunglasses. Let's go to the beach. Okay, I don't know how I did it, but I ran inside, home from the beach at 7 p.m., jumped in the shower, well, I didn't wash my hair, and put on makeup, got ready, put on an outfit, and now we're going to dinner with a few of my friends who are in the same sorority as me, who live in the city, and we're getting dinner. I needed to leave 4 minutes ago, so let's go out the door by 7:30. Very proud-ish. Outfit of the day really quick. Top is Zara, skirt is, I think it's Zara also, a long time ago. My Amazon bag and Air Force Ones, and I just braided my dirty hair that I didn't have time to wash. Let's go out in the world again. Hello everyone, it's Monday morning. We are catching up on emails, drinking coffee, the whole routine you already know. And I realized that I did not end off this vlog yesterday, so just want to jump on and say thanks for watching. Hopefully it was entertaining and I got some good footage, fingers crossed. I really don't know. I feel like I didn't really narrate much yesterday, but we just spent the day at the beach in Long Island. We went to Robert Moses Beach, I think it was called, and it was so nice. If you're in New York, I know that it's kind of far. I don't even know the best way to do like public transit to get there because my friend drove, which was very nice. It was a really nice beach, honestly. It was like not too crowded, people were spaced out, like you had room, and like the sand was nice and it was clean and the water was beautiful, and I don't know, it was just a really good day to be at the beach. It was not too hot. I feel like easily, I'm not someone who could spend like all day at the beach. It's not good to spend all day in the sun anyway. I'm so proud though, because this is the first time I've been on like a beach day and did not get sunburned, you guys. I don't even know if I got much more tan, but really good looking out on Supergoop because I was reapplying, I was protected. I got a little bit of a burn like on my chest where I like right above my swimsuit, you know, and like a little bit on my nose. Well, it's not even like that bad today, it's just a little red, but it doesn't like, I don't feel it. But I'm sure it'll turn to tan. I'm gonna keep it moisturized and stuff. So really like hardly anything. So I'm just really proud of myself. It was so much fun. We got Uno, we played games, we had food, and then just kind of like hung out and enjoyed the sunshine. So it was really nice to have a beach day, get out of the city. And then I came back, and basically that one clip I got in between, I had 30 minutes from getting back from the beach before I had to leave for dinner. I just did a quick body shower, threw my hair up. I still need to wash it, but I want to work out today. It's pretty gross, like it needs help. But anyway, regardless, I turned it around and then went to dinner. We went to Azatar, I think it's called, in Lower East Side, East Village-ish. It was so good. We got like this, I think I got a clip of it, like build your own pita thing. It was just really good, so highly recommend. And it was so hot. We were sitting outside, but luckily it kind of cooled down because we were there at sunset. But yeah, and now it's Monday morning and I want to end the vlog. So thank you so much for watching this weekend in my life. Hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're not. And I will see you next time. I'm about to start a new vlog for a week in my life. Back at it, back to do the work and get things done. I have a lot of editing to do today, and I need to go grocery shopping, and I'm dreading it because it is so freaking hot outside this week. So stay tuned. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.